This is an illustration of the last two trades based on one of the systems that we're going to be showing you. I've just drawn in the entry areas, the stop loss areas, and take profit levels. So we're going to start out with the sell signal here in the orange block. The system said to go short there, and it is a system that uses 4 positions. So 4 positions were sold in that area. The market then moved, this is an hourly chart, and the system is based on the hourly chart. The market moved against us for a while, then it came back into our favor, and unfortunately never broke through support here, but eventually ended up stopping us out in this area. So you can see in that area there we had 4 positions stopped out. The total distance from down the bottom here to there is around that 350 point mark, and it ends up in a total loss for all 4 positions of 1,424 points. Now, just to illustrate how the strategy works, we've got the next buy signal in the same area. It isn't always it's mostly in the market. It's not always in the market, but it's mostly in the market. And we get a buy signal at virtually the same time we had an exit signal. And again, we buy 4 positions in that orange area, and the market starts to move in our favor, and just gets up to a resistance area and consolidates a little bit and starts to move higher. And now we're pretty confident that this particular trade is working out. So the last one was a loser, and this current trade is working out as we go forward. Now the market keeps going, and because the system is based on different exit levels, it's called a scaling out system. When it hits my target area, I take off half the trade. So remember, we bought 4 positions. I close off half the trade at this level here at around 1,500 points take profit. So basically that's eliminated the previous loss. The market continues to move in our favor, and I'm quite happy to sit and watch it do that. This does not require active involvement. You just got to have a look every hour or so. And the market continues very nicely until it hits my next target level, where I again take off 50% of the remaining positions. So there are now 3 positions out of the market, and that third one banks a 1,258 point profit. And again, because I'm scaling out, I've got 1 position left in the market, waiting for the trailing stop to be triggered. And this example here, the market did continue higher, and we see it breaking highs again. Moving through. We have to be patient. We wait. It continues to move higher, and then as the market starts to change direction, I'm trailing my stop up all the time, and eventually we get another break of the high there. So we're still pretty confident in the trade, and then the market continues higher, and eventually it turns over and it kicks into my trailing stop loss. So the final position banks 2,000 points. I think it was a total move here of about 2,300 and something points. And I'm not really target based. It's a trailing position, a trailing stop once that previous target is hit. And we bank here 2,000 points. So the total profit for all of those, all 4 contracts, so all 3 trades at the end of the day is 4,764 points. Subtract the loss on the first set that didn't work out, where we lost 1,424 points, and on those 2 trades we get a net profit of 3,340 points. And we can see the market is now this is now the live market here. It is continuing higher. I'm out of the trade in total, and I'm now just waiting for my next trigger, which would more than likely be a short. So the system is designed to mostly be in the market. We are going to take losses, but it is also designed to catch these really nice, good, strong moves and bank a net profit at the end of the day.